What are you doing, Ryan?
Harriet, this is Nova. My ETA is 1700. Over.
I'm doing my radio thing so I can use this bad boy. We need to have like a radio course at ICC, which is your certificate, your boat license. I finally got that. Set.
Alright, I'm sitting here suntanning outside. I woke up with a little bit of a sore throat, so I'm suntanning. Ryan's working on the solar panels. I'll show you what he's up to.
So these are the clips I got to put on. So see these clips here? Yeah. So last night I took the bimini off, marked out where all these clips go, and then I went to go put the clips in the solar panel here, and the holes are too small. So now I'm prying out every one of these little things. Jackson's helping. And drilling the hole out bigger. Now I don't have any batteries for my drill, so I'm using this hunk of crap. Come on buddy, you're in my way. I've run the cable which has gone to underneath the engine bay area, and now I'm just extending the cables. So I've got ordered an extra cable, so these will just go through into the charge controllers, then from the charge controllers into the batteries. So I've got some fuses and a kill switch for it as well. I'm running the cables for the solar panels.
Okay, now it's going to get tight on your board. Huh? You okay?
Sorry, buddy.
Jackson, we've got our gin and tonics. We were just ordering a bottle of wine and we saw Adelaide spaghetti and rabbit sauce.
Spaghetti rabbit sauce with
Ryan?
Maltese pizzelli.
Ryan?
Yeah, with
Spaghetti and rabbit sauce.
Oh no, I feel cruel with peas.
Oh no, don't feel cruel. It's just tomato sauce with rabbit.
Okay, so is that liver?
Yes. This is the liver. It's only a small piece. This is of two rabbits. But smell it.
Ryan's
Smells good, no? Smells of garlic and wine.
I can't eat liver.
I won't give you liver. Okay,
Give them some good pieces.
I'll give you.
Give some good piece.
I'll give you a really good piece. This is really yummy.
Sarah's Maltese and she's going to serve Ryan up.
The springy legs.
a
Chicken wing. Look at that. Chicken wing. Ryan, this is a chicken wing.
Tell him not to give us the head.
Oh, where is the head in there?
Is there a head
Good
in there?
baby.
It doesn't matter, leave it in your plate and half it in there.
No, I'm not giving you any of the liver.
dividing the liver.
I'm giving Ryan all the good bits.
There's the head.
Listen, Ryan has
No,
enough
it's not the
now.
head.
So I'm fine, that's fine. That's
Try
enough.
that.
As I go to eat it.
The little skinny ones.
How's your rabbit?
It's actually really good.
Hold on, start again.
Actually, really good.
Brittany,
It's amazing!
Brittany, what does Bugs Bunny taste like?
You can't say that.
Unfortunately, it tastes divine.
It's awesome! Maltese rabbit rocks.
No kidneys.
Oh no. Zonk's saying they're kidneys. Are they kidneys or balls? So, we just had
Rabbit.
our first
Bugs Bunny.
Maltese traditional dinner, which is rabbit, and our friends Zonk and Sarah took us out to this restaurant. It's apparently their favorite place for like traditional chilled out food.
Hold on, let me just say that the menu was rabbit spaghetti, whole rabbit. Brittany, you had rabbit liver.
The rabbit was actually really good.
The best thing I think tonight was how excited Sarah and Ray were for their rabbit. And Sarah and Ray are both Maltese, so I think that rabbit really is a full-on Maltese dish.
I feel like a rabbit dish for Maltese is like your mum's home-cooked Sunday roast. Like, you know when your mum makes the same roast every Sunday and it reminds you of home and it's like makes you feel happy? I feel like that's what rabbit is to people
So
here in
put it
Malta.
this way.
And it was delicious. So what are you doing now?
I'm going to take Jackson to go do a poo.
Nice. We had a really good night. So Sarah's Maltese. She's born here. But Sarah said we have to try the traditional Maltese dish, which for Ryan and I is like completely foreign. We were like, we have to be open-minded and try it. What I love about it is that if we didn't meet them, we would have never gone to that restaurant. And that's what I love about traveling, is you meet people that you never otherwise would, and you end up having a completely different experience on your travels because they're locals, and you kind of get a bit of an inside scoop onto what's going on and where to go, which is really cool. It's so funny with the crap that's going on in the world, and then you get out in the world and you realize that there's like amazing people everywhere. This matches my outfit. It's hot. We're actually about to hit 100 subscribers, and we noticed that quite a few aren't just like our family and friends who love us and follow us because
They have to.
because they want to see what we're doing. So we thought maybe we'd introduce ourselves and just explain a few things, what we're up to, what our plans are, etc. My name's Brittany. I'm from Vancouver, British Columbia, and used to work in media. I quit my job to come travel.
And my name's Ryan. This is from Adelaide in South Australia.
We also brought our dog along. I don't know where he is.
Jackson! Hey, buddy! I actually left our building company behind and sold our house and our cars and bought a boat to sail. Like, everyone says we are crazy. They did. All our friends thought we were crazy. Family thought we were crazy. Everyone said, you don't have enough experience, you can't do this. And I just thought, guys, I'm doing it. We've been living in Australia like full time for the past 6 years. And we decided it was time for a bit of a change. And we wanted to travel and explore around. And so we've been in Malta for like the past month and a half. Our plan right now is to sail across to Italy, to Sicily, make our way up to the heel, then make our way to Croatia. And then we're going to spend 3 months in Croatia because they're not part of the Schengen zone, so we're safe to stay there. So this is our bedroom, which is like quite big considering. The best part about this room is, I feel like it was meant for us, is that there's this big timber ledge all around the bed. And as soon as we got here, Jackson started laying in that corner when he got too warm and didn't want to lay with us. And now that's turned into his little spots. So we put pillows there so he's not always sleeping on hard wood. But it's good because now we have our queen size bed to ourselves. Oh, there's people pulling in right next to him. Oh, shit. He almost hit us again.
Did he?
Yeah.
Is that the back of their boat?
Yeah. People are really bad at driving. Do you want to go up and help them?
No, I think they got it covered.
Are you sure? They're not tied off yet.
Okay, hold on.
So this is our kitchen. We got a microwave, double sink. This is also that's salt water, which is nice. When we're not at a marina, we have obviously limited water supply. We don't have a water maker on board. I'll be washing our dishes with salt water and then rinsing with fresh, and that saves all the fresh water. Got a big fridge, which is a mess. This is another fridge. Well, it's pretty much a freezer, but we basically use it for drinks and ice. My spotty bananas that I'll be making banana bread with because you won't eat them.
Yeah.
Back to the bedroom. So out of our bedroom we also have an ensuite. Most bathrooms in boats, they have the shower over the toilet. So really this room should cut off here where the shower is.
Do you want to see me in the shower?
Because we live on this boat, we wanted to make sure that we had it feeling a little bit more like home, so we wanted a shower that we could actually set for ourselves.
I'm going to
Get
demonstrate
outta
how the
here.
shower works.
That's my plan, because that's just
Hold on.
the type of person I am.
Brittany's going to demonstrate how the toilet works. You can't film that way.
This is our navigation station, which is pretty much like where we hold all of our crap. And
This
that's
is the dining table.
our dining table, which we thought folded down into another bed, but it doesn't.
Yep, this is our couch. This is where I put my clothes because Brittany's got so many. So I have this one little cupboard for my clothes.
You do not. You have another cupboard.
Okay, I got socks and boxes. Now,
No, you have this one over here.
oh yeah, but that's full of other stuff too. Yeah, okay, shorts. Mate, this is the V-berth, okay? This is what you sleep on when this stuff's not here. Showing you the shitter. So this is what we call in Australia dunny.
This is the ensuite for the other cabin. I also have a plant growing in there. P.S. Sorry, who puts their toothbrushes in there? You're right next to the toilet as it flushes. You really want your toothbrush sitting there airborne? Nah, I'd rather it be a pot plant.
Brittany's getting another band-aid.
Yeah, because I'm dying.
This is the seats in the cockpit. This is where Jackson lays and hangs out. These are the davits. And there's our car. It's in for routine maintenance. Welcome to Sunday. This is Sunday. Welcome to Sunday.
Ryan.
Sunday.
Ryan.
Monday. So Paul and Mark are picking me up to go to some boat party. This should be fun.
Bring it back now. Hey. Hold up. If you turn around, you gon' face a lead. Shooting from above, go to sleep, you're dead, What?
That's where we ended up tonight. I'm so hungry. Thank you.